Hello everyone, today I am making cheese omelette. So to make cheese omelette we need 2 eggs, 2.5 tablespoons spring onion, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 tablespoon coriander, 1 tablespoon green chili, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin and 2 slices of cheese. So let's get started. Now we add salt and red chili powder. Cumin and black pepper. Now mix it well. Done. Now we add spring onion. Okay, now we add coriander and green chili. Okay, it's done. Now mix it well. Okay, it's done. It's time to cook it. So let's go. Now grease it with oil. About 1 tablespoon. Okay, it's done. 4 of batter. Leave it for 2 minutes. Now it's time to add cheese.